Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Rahul Agrawal, Managing Director of Bluebirds International School, Mandi Dhanora, Amroha. How can parental support beyond classrooms, like museum visits and tech exposure, shape a child's future? Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Sonal. Let's hear what Sir had to say.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Edu Leaders Show. And today we have with us a very special guest, and he is Mr. Rahul Agarwal. He is the Managing Director of Bluebirds International School in Mandi, Dhanora. So, welcome to the exhibition, sir. Sir, how's your experience being here at this ISRO Space Science exhibition?
Ma'am, to be very frank, it was a very nice and some things were very informative. And everything nowadays we have seen in the movies. And I hope so. Recently, I saw a movie. I was alone at my home. I saw that movie, Mission Mangal. So everything was in the mind, but I saw it practically over here. So the concepts were more clear. And it is very mesmerizing experience.
Okay, sir. So next question would be that how can parents support children like who are interested in space and technology?
Yeah.
Like, how can parents do that? Like support their students, their children.
Ma'am, parent support means that parents can help their children in giving them time for something like discovering themselves and exploring more and more things in this, and they can let their child visit to some kind of museums and some space centers. So if the child is interested in this field, so he or she can gather knowledge about it.
True, sir. So, like, how do you think that how do handle challenges, like how students do handle challenges like stress between or before the exams or like challenges like those?
Ma'am,
Or how can
it's a
their
bit
teachers help them?
it's a bit tricky questions. Although stress is, I hope, the same for all kind of students. But some students I have seen in my life during my school also, they're very free mind.
Okay.
And the students, those who take stress, I think their stress derives from the expectations from their parents.
True. From
So
the teachers also.
no, not from teachers. एग्जैक्टली टीचर्स का क्या होता है मैम, जो टीचर बच्चे के अंदर पोटेंशियल देखता है उसी बच्चे को टीचर थोड़ा सा प्रोवोक करता है, और पेरेंट्स को एक एक्सपेक्टेशन रहता है कि नहीं मेरा बच्चा बहुत हाई फाई हो, मेरा बच्चा बहुत हाई फाई हो. कहीं ना कहीं बच्चे को पढ़ाई के स्ट्रेस से ज्यादा पेरेंट्स की
प्रूव
एक्सपेक्टेशन
करने का स्ट्रेंथ ज्यादा होता है या फिर सिबलिंग्स में.
जी 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 कि
Okay.
तेरा भाई ऐसा था पढ़ाई में,
Yes.
बहन ऐसी थी,
यस
तो वो प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा मैंने देखी है. तो वो उसके लिए टीचर्स तो जो करेंगे हेल्प बच्चों की वो करते ही हैं, बच्चों को ओवरकम करना ही है. मेरा अपना मानना ये है कि पेरेंट्स को अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस बच्चों के ऊपर नहीं बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर करनी चाहिए.
आई एग्री विद.
और दूसरा कि पेरेंट्स की एक इच्छा होती है, जैसे सपोज कीजिए मैं हूँ, मेरे मन में एक बहुत बड़ी इच्छा थी कि मैं डॉक्टर बनूं, लेकिन कुछ कंडीशंस ऐसी हुई, फैमिली कंडीशंस, कि मैं डॉक्टर नहीं बन पाया. तो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत बचपन से मेरा जब बेटा हुआ तो मुझे एक एक्सपेक्टेशन रहा कि मैं अपने बेटे को डॉक्टर बनाऊं. तो आई वॉज लकी कि मेरे बच्चे का रुझान भी उसी तरफ था. सो नाउ इज अ डॉक्टर नाउ. लेकिन थैंक यू, लेकिन ओवरऑल देखा जाए तो है गलत. पेरेंट्स को इतना एक्सपेक्टेशन बच्चे से नहीं रखना चाहिए. लेट देम लिव देयर लाइफ.
True, sir. I can completely resonate with you because my parents were also like they want me to go into some different field, but I chose something different. So that is how things are. Okay, sir. So last question would be that आज के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक्सपोजर बेस्ड लर्निंग कितनी जरूरी है? मतलब theoretical we all have seen it's in schools also it is more of theory.
Ma'am, I hope so. Exposure based learning is the essence of learning.
True.
अगर आप एक्सपोजर नहीं देंगे किसी बच्चे को, आप थियोरेटिकली उसको कुछ भी समझाते जाइए. जस्ट नाउ मैंने भी आपको बताया कि मैंने मिशन मंगल मूवी देखी थी, तो वो आई सॉ एवरीथिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन, बट उसको आज चाहे एक छोटे मॉडल से ही सही मैंने उसको रियलाइज करा. तो किसी भी कंसेप्ट को रियलाइज करने के लिए हमें एक्सपोजर लर्निंग बहुत जरूरी है.
True.
हाँ, it's a must in life.
Thank you so much, sir. It was really nice having you here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 721707010 and send hi on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.